Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover the internship opportunities from top organizations, the two summer internship. If you didn't get any chance to get an internship opportunity till now, then if you are from the background of computer science, then this video is very crucial for you. So those who did previously has landed in best companies in abroad as well as India. So that companies we are going to discuss now. In this video, we are going to share very important details and some of the deadlines are very close here. Before deadline, you can apply for the summer internships. So you should be proactive, and if you didn't apply for the various internships in a timely manner, especially in the field of tech related fields, then you are going to lose something as the market is very tricky from last 2 to 3 years. So today we are going to discuss 5 to 6 summer internship opportunities. Among them, we are going to have the internship opportunity from Google, Microsoft, Linux Foundation, Redox, Outreachy, Adobe, Meta University, and IBM. Like this, various organizations are offering the summer internships. Among these, we are going to discuss top 5 organizations which are to be offered summer internships for the students. So when we come to the first opportunity, we can say this as a Google Summer of Code. We need to register on or before April 8th year. And when we come to what is this Google Summer of Code? So this is a global as well as the online program focusing on bringing new contributions into open source software development. Those who are working in or those who want to enhance your skills in open source development or open source code, then you are eligible for this particular internship which is offered by Google. So these contributors work with an open source organizations on a 12 plus week programming project under the guidance of mentors. The duration of this Google internship is 12 weeks of internship we are going to have. That is based on the project idea what we are giving. According to that idea, there are some mentors from various organizations. The registration process is already done by the organizations. So there are various organizations, as you can see, 21K plus new contributors from 123 countries and 46 millions of lines of code. The 1000 plus open source organizations are involving in this particular internship. That means already with the Google, these 1000 companies are already registered to act as a mentor for you. So like this, from these 1000 plus organizations, we are going to have 20K plus mentors. There are two options are there in the Google. Either we need to be acting as a contributor or we need to be a mentor. The registration of mentors is already done over. There is no chance now. Those who want to contribute towards the open source, they can register now. If you are interested to enhance your skills in open source, or if you want to contribute something to the society, then you can join in this particular internship program, as there are various mentors out there. They will help you in achieving your goal. It is very important to reach out the organizations that you are interested in as soon as possible. If you want to do internship in one particular organization, reaching individually to that organization is very difficult. But the Google is providing the platform for us. They are organizing or they are collaborating with 1000 plus organizations. So you can select any one of the organization for our internship, so that from that organization, the mentors will help us to achieving in our project. So if you are any queries, you can go through these videos here. There are multiple videos are there. You can go through this. And when we come to the learn more option, how it is going to work here. First, we need to apply. The interested contributors propose a project to work on. So on which project you are going to work, that project we need to propose here during the application process. Then accepted based on the proposal what you submitted and based on your eligibility criteria. Accepted Google Summer of Code contributors spend the summer coding with guidance from the mentor. Then whatever the code developed by you, that will be shared among the various users. So these are the various organizations which we have here. Based on the area, we have various organizations. As you can see, these are the various organizations which are collaborated with Google to guide you. So from these organizations, the employees of these organizations are going to be acted as a mentor for your project. These are the mentors, and this is a complete program timeline here. So organization application period started, completed, and organizations announced also completed. Contributor application period, it is going on. Proposal of review period, contributor projects announced. Based on the project proposal submitted by various contributors, they are going to shortlist that. Then community bonding, based on the project selected, they are going to allocate one mentor. Then they are going to have the coding period, evaluations. Then once the evaluation is done, then The results are going to be announced here. Based on that, you are going to get the appropriate stipend. As you can see, this is complete timeline here. So they initially started in the January. Mentoring organizations can begin submitting applications to Google. So the Google Google accepted the applications from the various organizations to mentor. Then in February 11, mentoring organizations application deadline completed. 11 to 26, the applications are screened here. And in February 27, the list of accepted mentoring organizations are published here. From February 27 to March 24, they collected various ideas from the mentoring organizations, and contributor application period begins. From March 24, the registrations are started for contributor. Last date to register is April 8th year. They are going to announce the shortlisted proposals on April 29, and then the projects are announced on May 8th year. May 8th to June 1st. June 2nd, coding officially begins here. 14, mentors, contributors can begin submitting midterm evaluations. Like this is complete timeline. 17th of November, the mentors are going to finalize our evaluation results, and then they are going to announce the results here. Go through all this. What are the roles and responsibilities of the mentor and roles and responsibility of the contributor? These are the resources we are going to have here. Then marketing. So you can go through all these things here. Mailing list, guides. They are going to provide some kind of stipend also based on the proposal and based on the successful completion of the project. They are going to provide a kind of stipend for the various regions. So in the case of the students from India, they are going to get approximately 3,000 US dollars as a stipend once you complete once you complete the project successfully. Come to the MLH fellowship. This is also completely remote internship. The students are going to get 12 weeks of remote internships, and where the participants can earn a stipend as well as learn to collaborate on real open source projects with the peers and engineers. And you can go through all these things here. These are the companies which are involving or which are collaborating with MLH fellowship, like GitHub, Solana, Meta, AWS, like this, Google. Various organizations are there which are collaborating with this. So you can go through all these things, and if you are interested, click on apply here. So when we click on apply now, it will ask you various details. Based on the details submitted, they are going to evaluate that. When we come to the third opportunity, LFX, that is Linux Foundation, we can call. And here also, most probably the registrations will start in the month of January to March. But unfortunately, most of the registrations are done here. And as you can see, mentorship, mentees, as well as mentors. So those who want to do internship, they'll come under mentees, and those who want to guide the students, they are going to mentors, and mentorship we are going to have. These are the various organizations we are going to have here. So based on the platform, we can choose any one of the project here. As you can see, open mainframe project, test run web user interface, and this is summer 2025, June 2025 to August 2025. But the registrations are closed here. And we can also have the accepting applications. These two organizations are offering internships right now. You can apply. So for term 3, June 2025 to August 2025, and term 2, March to June 2025, these registrations are already completed. You can go through these registrations. Required skills, if you are having some knowledge about Go, React, JavaScript, Rust, and other skills are there. If you are familiar with these languages, you can go with the internship. Simply click on apply. It will ask you to log in here. Or in the same manner, if you are familiar with Java, JavaScript, and Python, and these are the languages, MVN, Groovy, Shell, Pego, and if you have any knowledge about any one of these programming languages, then you can click on apply here. So this is completely unpaid internship, and September 2025 to November 2025, and this is also March 2026 to May 2026. Based on your convenience, you can choose any one of these to apply. And this is also almost 3 months of internship you are going to get. And some based on the project we selected, some are paid internships and some are unpaid internships. That means what? Some for some internships, the mentors are going to pay the scholarship or stipend, and for some internships, the mentors are not going to pay any stipend here. So when we come to the next internship opportunity called Microsoft, when we come to the Microsoft, it is also offering Microsoft Student Ambassador Program. So any student can act as an ambassador for your campus in the case of Microsoft. Those who want to enhance their skills in the field of AI, they're eligible for this particular internship. Accelerate innovation and grow the skills, you need to have greater impact in the projects and community that matter to you. So we can unlock your potential and become a student ambassador. Click on here. When we click on it, when we click on it, when you click on the campus ambassador, it will ask you to log in. So I have some Microsoft ID. So with the help of mail ID, Microsoft mail ID, I logged in. Once you logged in, the page looking like this. So there are program agreements, personal information, academic institution, additional information, review and submit. Then policy and terms, personal information, online influencer network, academic institutions, additional information, review. So like this, you can complete your registration process. So once the registration is done, based on the data what you entered and based on the fields what you entered and based on the eligibility criteria, you are going to be selected as the campus ambassador for your college. When we come to the next, Redox OS. So this is also summer of code, but the registrations are not yet started. So this is also offering summer of code internship for 2025, and there are minimal number of positions are empty now. You can apply or you can use this opportunity to get the internship in this Redox. So you must be skilled Rust programmer and have experience with low programming and open source contributor. So if you want to enhance your skills in the field of open source, then you're eligible for this particular program. And the duration of this program is approximately 8 weeks. That means 6 weeks to 10 weeks you are going to have. And we need to complete the task within 6 to 10 weeks of duration. Then if you are interested, you can go through all these things. Stations are not yet announced here. You can go through by the end of July, they are going to announce the registration process. So when we come to the next internship opportunity, Outreachy. So this is also the first phase of registrations are already completed, and you are going to get 7,000 US dollars as a total internship stipend. And this is also internships in open source. If you are interested in open source, or if you want to enhance your skills in open source, or if you want to get trained from very experienced industry persons in open source, eligible for this particular internship. So this Outreachy provides an internships to people subject to systematic bias and implemented by underrepresentation in the technical industry, and you are going to get the internship of 7,000 in the case of Outreachy, and this is completely remote here, and the duration of internship we are going to get is 3 months. So that may be from May to August. The registrations are closed for this duration, and you can try for December to March duration. The registrations may start in the month of August, and for December, as you can see, intern applications are accepted from early August to mid-August. That is, during the first week of August, they are going to announce the registrations here for the December 2025 internships. Mentors sign up from early August to late September. Those who want to guide the students, they can log in from August to September. Applications contribute to projects from late September to October. Then the internship in early December 25 to March 2026. During this period, you are going to have an internship. You can go through all these things. And these are the various organizations which are collaborated with Outreachy. From my side, I'm informing all the candidates, those who want to apply for internship, don't wait by applying one or two. Apply as many as possible and wait for your opportunity. If you got a chance from multiple organizations, then definitely our psychological levels as well as our confidence level may increase. So apply as many as possible, the couple of internship opportunities in your hand, then decide which internship you want to select so that your resume weight will be increased definitely. So that's all for now. If you have any queries in during application process or the registration process, comment on me so that I'll try to reply. Thank you. All the best.